Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your audio device problem. So let's see how it will work. So there are two methods that you can use to fix this problem. The first one is come to this audio device icon, right click on it, click on troubleshoot sound problem. It will check if there is any error, and if it's find any error it will fix by itself, and if it's not, then come to the second method. Click on Google Chrome, type Realtek audio driver, come to this first link, scroll down a bit. As you can see, there are multiple links available. So if your computer supports 32-bit architecture, then click on this 32-bit link, and if it supports 64-bit architecture, click on 64-bit link. I am here clicking 64-bit link. Accept the above, download the file. And the download has started. So it's showing 2 hours to complete this download. So let's see how much time it will take. So okay, the download part is complete now. So we have to run it. Just click on it. Click yes. The setup is running now. Click next, and the installation process is started. So the installation process is completed. So everything is done. Now you can check your audio device is working properly or not. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.